Picture this. Someone across the room yawns, and suddenly you feel the urge to. Yawning is more than just a sign of tiredness. It's a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for centuries. One theory suggests yawning helps cool down the brain, keeping it alert and functioning efficiently. But what about its contagious nature? Researchers believe it may be linked to our instinct to synchronize with others, fostering social bonds and empathy. Next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else, remember, it's your brain's way of connecting and staying sharp.